What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017. Basically, it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission, and I did it because I didn't quit. And I want to talk about, because this is important. So when you are starting out, it's going to take you time to get results, because you will need to work on creating content, or if you have the skill on paying ads, you can do that. But if you're going to create content, it's going to take you time to get the ball rolling, and it's going to be like a snowball effect. You're going to create content and nobody is going to watch the content that you're creating, and then you need to keep creating video after video after video after video, for example, in a YouTube channel. And once you have like many videos and as well improving your own skills, even if you are not like showing your face, so you can do affiliate marketing without showing your face, but it's better to show your face because that is how you can develop your own personal brand. But whatever you choose you do, you need to keep creating content. So let me check, because if I have some comments, we are ready to go. Okay, so basically that is important to know if you are going to start with this business model, because people get discouraged when they don't have results. And I can tell you that sometimes it's hard because you are like working, you are creating content, or for example, if you have a blog and you are writing blogs, it's going to take you more time that way. So that is one important thing. You need to know that it takes time to start to get commissions with affiliate marketing. Now let me show you quickly some of my results. So I promote this product, the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator, and I have right now $875 in unpaid earnings, and these are my affiliate links. So as an affiliate marketer, we can promote any product that we want. For example, let me show you an example of an affiliate marketplace. This is ClickBank. You can create a free account here, and basically you can go to this affiliate marketplace, find products to promote almost in any niche. But one of the best niches that you can choose are the make money niche, the health and fitness, and the relationship niche. Now let me show you another example. This is the store 24, because here I'm going to show you the product that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer. So you can go to the store 24, you can create a free account, and you can sort by category. For example, you can promote products from animals and pets, petting systems, business and investment. And as you can see, we have a variety of niches. This is very similar to ClickBank. We have travel products, trading products, survival, sports. But the products that I promote are for the make money online niche. So I'm going to click on business and investment. And what is cool about this store is that you can promote, check this out, products in German and English. So I'm going to click only the English language. So check this out. I can promote all of these products if I want. For example, this one, Project Serenity, 33%. They pay earnings per sale, $459. We have as well, this is a crypto product, crypto quantum leap. They pay $311. Let me scroll down, because here I want to show you a product that I'm promoting, which is this one, Freedom Accelerator. So I'm promoting this product. I bought this product. So let me click here on the sales page, because they updated the price right now. Check this out. This is the sales page. Basically, these are the things that people are going to learn and they are going to get from this training: how to start and grow your affiliate market, your affiliate stacking ecosystem, the 5-hour fast start, and the price of this product is $1,997. So this is a high ticket product. So we can like we can promote regular products, like for example, those are products in which we can make like $2, $5, $10, $20, $100, or we can promote high ticket products. And I like to promote high ticket products because we can make more commissions, and also those are high quality. So let me show you. This is the high ticket product that I'm promoting, Freedom Accelerator, and I bought this training. And basically I went through all the lessons, and that is how like I learned on how to create this affiliate stacking ecosystem, how to create the automated sales system that is working 24/7. And basically what we do in affiliate marketing is that we choose a main core offer, and then we need to choose the supporting offers, and then we need to build a system that is going to promote all of those products automatically. And once we have built that system, we need to send traffic to it, we need to send customers, and it's going to be a matter of time to start getting sales. So basically that is how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing. So if I go to payouts, you can see these are my latest payments: $454, $120, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month, but it takes time. It takes time to start getting results. The first commission that I earned with this product was like $3 or $4, but that's when you need to like keep pushing and keep creating content, because if you quit, you are not going to get any results. So let me go here to the store 24, because if I click here, I can copy here my promo link, and now that is the link that I can promote. And if someone buys through that link, I can make a commission. But if you're going to promote this product, it's better to click on the affiliate support page, because we can promote Freedom Accelerator through Digistore 24, and also they have this like their own dashboard, and it's better to promote. So here it's better to promote from this affiliate portal, because we can send referrals, and if those referrals buy the products in the future, we can make that commission. So the case of Digistore 24, so this works different than this affiliate dashboard, because Digistore 24 works on, so the commission is going to, so the affiliate marketer that promote this product, that person is going to make that commission. So the attribution, so that is the name, the attribution is the last click. So that means that if I'm promoting through this affiliate link, and if the person buys the product, and if that person, if my link was like the last click, I'm going to make that commission. But if the person or if the prospect clicks the link of another affiliate, that affiliate is going to earn that commission, because the attribution is we can get the commission in the last click. So that's some important things you need to know before promoting an affiliate product. So how they work, because I have seen better results like by sending referrals. So that is how I'm making commissions with this product. Although you can promote any product that you want on Digistore 24 and ClickBank. Now that you know what is affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products, and we can make commissions if someone buys through our affiliate links, I'm going to share with you the strategy that I use, which is basically this one. Now let's say that this is my affiliate link. Some people explain that we can drive traffic directly to this affiliate link, and you can make commissions that way. I started affiliate marketing, but the problem with this strategy is that it's difficult to scale that business, because you are not collecting the prospects, or you are not collecting the leads or the emails. And that is why in the training I learned that it's important to build this capture page. And we use this capture page to capture the email of a prospect. And once we have collected that information, we can promote this affiliate offer, which is our main core offer, and then we can promote supporting offers. So as an affiliate marketer, it's important to choose a main core offer, but we can choose supporting offers 2, 3, 4, and 5 to help people to go from a point A to a point B. So basically that is affiliate marketing. We're helping people by giving them valuable products that are going to like solve the problems that they have. So in this case, with Freedom Accelerator, we are solving the problem on how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, utilizing a software that Jonathan Montoya has created. Jonathan Montoya is the creator of this course. The software is Funnel Freedom. And basically, we can clone these 7 figures done for you system and then just send traffic to the opt-in page. Because it takes time to build this entire ecosystem of products. Now, let me show you quickly. So I have been using this software, the name is ClickFunnels, for a while, for many months, and I have here my funnels, and I'm using this funnel. So a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process, and this funnel has 3 steps. And we use the funnel to collect the email, and then we redirect those people to our affiliate offer, and we can make commissions that way. But not everyone is going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to collect the email. Another important thing of this funnel is that we need to give something in exchange for the email. So in this case, I'm giving away a free ebook that I didn't create. Is this one, Jonathan Montoya's ebook. It's the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. And basically, I'm giving away this free ebook through this page. So when someone lands on this page, they are going to read this title. They will read, hey, free ebook download. And when they click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number if they want. Then they will go to the next page in which I tell them, hey, please check your email because I'm going to send the ebook. And then they will get access to this the bridge page, which is the 3rd step. And inside of the bridge page, I have a video in which I explain the steps on how they can learn the skills on how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. I tell them as well my own story when I started with high-ticket affiliate marketing, and when people click this button, they will go exactly to this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they put their information inside of this page, I'm going to send another referral to this company. And so basically that's it. And then for all the people who don't buy at the first interaction, I have created a nurturing sequence. So these are emails that this software GetResponse is going to start sending automatically. So let me show you quickly this nurturing sequence, Freedom Accelerator. And I have people going through this email sequence. And my email list is receiving all these emails. For example, when someone subscribes to this list, GetResponse is going to send these 2 emails, and then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2, and so on and so forth. GetResponse is going to send all these emails, and inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for the main core offer, my affiliate links for the supporting offers, and also they are going to find, for example, free trainings that I have created. Because even if people don't buy any product from me, they are going to get value because I'm giving away like the strategies that I'm using in my affiliate marketing business. And also I have, like, for example, messages or emails that don't have any links. Those are only valuable emails. So, and as you can see, I have here this nurturing sequence, and I'm adding more emails here. I can, for example, here it says wait for 300 days because I'm adding more emails, and it's easy. I can drag and drop the commands and message, and then I can click here, create a new message, and then I can put another command and drag and drop this the weight. And that is how I'm promoting products, guys, by utilizing these strategies, the sales funnels, the nurturing sequence, not that good stuff. And the way that I'm using to drive traffic to my funnel is creating content. For example, creating YouTube videos, doing lives on YouTube, creating TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, because I have in my bios, for example, the links. So I think that I have the links for my YouTube channel because I'm growing my YouTube channel, and I'm using my YouTube channel to drive leads to my own sales funnel. And basically that is how I'm doing affiliate marketing, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.